ye no te ko ba khala ta he o ama la tin no ba sa na ki ro ye te no ye te ba khala ba te de mana no literally so ai no literally so sita ne pa te ra na bi te mana ka lo klo ne te begin te ba no genesis jara ta le genesis ne te ra la ta khoti ero te ma no ta khoti pe ma te le the beginning se ko ne ta khoti no o ne di to lo no the beginning and la ne ta khoti no di to lo the beginning no pe ne je ero te ta ta mi le ero ha pa tu no little to ne shwa ti lo mu khu lo ho khu lo pa te we ti ne to pa sa ke pe ye ke ero pa la ye ke cha ata translate pho lo no te me le te ma la pa translate pa lo original me ma no le ta no ko pa kras mo pe ne the beginning no te ra the beginning ne me ra la ta khwa ti ma no ero te we ta khwa ti ke klo no te we ne in the beginning God creates the heaven and the earth now we tell that our cotton ka saywa ti lo wera te ra no ka saywa ti lo wera no mukhu do hokko no ka say ti lo ra no aga ti mini te ra now no the earth was formless and empty no but te ra ma ne no but te ra ma kai ne te ra no hokko ne ora but te ra no klo no ukholo no but te ra ma no patamara no mi ba no pamarthi no mi ba no pa darkness was over the surface of the deep no awene bagdera mala no taki tiubu owera la hako omepiko no and the spirit of God was no hovering over the water no hovering sidane bagdera mala no tasosi no tasosi no yua tasosi who wera le no who he wera le yua typical no bagdera mala typical no awane typical no and God said Penero kasa yua tevera let there be light no more takapo kiroki no do and there was light no awane no takapo ni kiro no tevera takapo ni kiro no God saw that the lights were good. Now we didn't work as a TV talk upon a way, no talk upon a willow. And he separated the light from the darkness. No, I want aware, but no power, no talk upon or darkness. No, the lights from the darkness. No, God called the lights day. When I say a call a moon, no, talk upon ne, get on a moony, no. And the darkness he called it night. No pen no munani kasaya kora la no taki no taki ni kasaya kora taki no munano. And there was evening and there was morning the first day. When ora moon or muha no mutani when a mutani no tamata no mutani no. And God said, let there be an expanse between the waters to separate water from water. No? Let the Lord say, David, no? More bacteria mala expand between, no? T or T, a share not done no power, no bacteria, no? T or T, sir. So God made the expand and separate the water under the expand from the water both, no? It bacteria mala when it say mala no T a pull T ola mukapolo no the T ola bacteria no mukapolo palara mukolo polo poco and it was so no when it me when it God called the expand sky no but the expand is bacteria mala no mukapolo no mukapolo I don't know when Ola Tamkon. And there was evening and there was morning the second day. No, I want to make a moon kinitini. No, I want to or move kinitini. No. And God said, let the water under the sky be gathered to one place and let drying grounds appear. No, more to buho do go plateau. No, I don't do it. go plato no and it was so no our tamata sikolo God calls the dry ground land and the gathering water he calls sea no our name tala kasaya kora la no ta makasora no but mala no tit all over good ni takora land made out of takle box to a product and gathering the water his causing we tell tala ti opo lon takora la tea no when a poly kora no or a cold or poly no but no when you know and God saw that it was good no kasaya ti well away ni mita his sikolo no I don't mita no kasa ti we no then God said, "Urane kasaya tibula, let the land produce vegetation, no more haku, no bacteria mala dumero, no bacteria tamutabo, no vegetation, tamutabo, seeds bearing plant, no bacteria mala takidi pane, more utola bacteria mala trade on land that bear fruits, what seed it is according to their no various kind and is was so this land produce vegetation plants bear seeds according to their kind and tree bear fruits with seeds in the according to their kind and God saw that it was good and there was evening and there was morning the third day no and a mutton denim no I want to particular no tamu te pa no poi na me ro da do ta kli te pa he che lo da ero te no he che lo da men ma he sa ro pho ro no he sa ro no ta kli ba he sa ro no le ta no khu ta ro ta kha le ke se ta ma sa no awen ne me ta la no ta su ta sa glu glu no ta mu ta bo glu glu no awen ne ka sa you are ti da a gi lo awen ne si ko no ba te no ma mu ha o do mu ho o awen ne mu sen ni si ko lo and God said, "Let there be light in the expanse of the sky." No, away ni no more takapo pleasant parlor ulumukul separate the day from the night. No, we did more no where mawara la we did more kira wara muna musa no when it down no power muna musa when it long no and let them show the sign to mark the region and the day and years no I want to tap up no I want to meet a season no ta we did mala no we did mala mutini munni to pa and years no munni to pa and need to pa more takira that and let them be light in the expanse of sky to give light on the earth no I want to talk about the pa no more hello no a hello wera le hako tak po the pasila wera hako hiklo but they were dinner to Lord and it was so God makes two great lights not two great light the greater light to not govern the day and the not lesser light to govern the night no we tell mala takapolo adu the plani no more we tell ma hitala no mu chako no hita ko mu chako do takapolo a simple ne no awa pa fla ta la he takapolo mu na ko ne no no pay ne te ra no when and God saw that it was good because I ti we da siko when me ta ki te mi siko no me ta ki no and there was evening and there was morning the fourth day no fourth day but tell me I want to mulu ni te ni siko ta ma ta pa ni lo and God said let the waters teem with living creature and let birds fly in both the earth no but tell me no away ni but tell me no water teem no with living creature no let the but tell me more tea no more tea ni but tell me no aware tea do wala no but do uplo wala no ba ka la ta ti pa ma ta ti pa and let birds fly both the earth cross the span of the sky no let them go down no let them go down ne pay ne no to boli put it upon more no but tell me la ha you will no hako hoko amita no Pagatan mala cross there no penny dera penny cross the span of the sky no Pagatan mala awa ka you we water no la no ka Pagatan ma ka you te vera hoko no Pagatan mala ulala no awa ka o vera la no mun ka pulin no so God create the great creature no of the seed and every living and moving thing with their waters tin, according to their kinds, and every winged birds according its kind. And God saw that it was good. God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and increase in number and fill the waters and the seed and let the birds increase on." Away, Sabbath with the back out of water and the earth, and there was evening and there was morning the fifth day. Now, I want to meet a jenny tenny, sikon, oh, me jenny tenny, no? Away, Kasayua, Poeted Malano, Kasaya Tilota, no? Kasaya Tilota, Topo a glue, Kasaya Sugio, nor Gadava, no, but a wetted pani, no? Go play atom, or what they Cathuro Tharo ugly, no, even fruitful sit and Cathuro Tharo ugly, no, 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 poor, no, come up with that tea, no, door caravano, no, Pajama, no, Lamukapone, Mukapone, or Sikora, Pajama, by that imagine, two will you put it past Sikon and mock out of Verano, and activity, no, or when a mission it, no. And the God said, "Let the land produce living creatures according to their kind." No, land is down in the hako, no hako. No, but tell mala hako the pani a what the demano produce hito le tamu tag the pa no tamu tag the pa a glue no go around a live no. Where the panena go creatures that's moving along the ground sit down and love but then my look how cool over the move long no that a glue no and it was so when it get us God made the one animal according to their kind of wide no a cabra no but then my Sabukopo, no Sabukopo, glue, no, Levita according to their kinds, and all the creatures that move around the ground according to their kind, and God saw that it was good. No, because I tell you, no, or when it that deal over Shikono, how could do, how could produce it, and how could do meta theater, how could Puiro Dani, no, Hoko Puiro Damo, Erativan, Hoko Nokachara Pudo, Nokasayone, aware Kasayone Tilora, Pasanagi Hoko Nokasara when a Puiro no. The God said, "Let us make man and our image." No, Pactana Mala, Kasaya Devada, Ke Pacamaro, no, Pacamaro Pacano, Le Pacora, in our no likeness. Likeness is a deep Pekipoko, no, our likeness, no. In a deeper way to let them rule over the fish of the sea and the birds of the air, over the living, over all the earth, and over all the creatures that move along the ground. No, but you know, no, pay no. Or whether the like a quarter and yapo, or tupu lipo, no, but you know, ta hutavela, haku cler, tamutabo, tirpa, or creatures sit down and bacala ta. Ta pagkita tamutake glue no pagkita mana away kapura no le hakone no so God created man and his own image no kasa tilo wala pakanyon le ano kasara wa ho no in the in the image of God he created him no pagkita mana le kasa akoda wane awatine ka tiro made a female she created no no put it on a devra made a female away ne pomulo pokwane away the part no away no away divida no away divida no away divida away no no God blessed them and said to them, be fruitful no kasa taste ko no kasa sugar with it or tiba with it no more to start hot and increase no art hot in number no ta no give pa few the earth and the no substitute it no substitute is rule over the fish or the seed and the birds or the airs and every living creatures that moves on the ground no ta every living no when every living sida ne ta mu ta khe no la awa ho ga la ha kho no pha ne no do etikla no do la mu ko polo kale ke sin awa te ba kwa thu e sit ko no then God said, I give you every seed bear fruit on on the face of the whole earth, and every tree that has fruit with seed in it. No, no, kasi yung hila wasi ko lo awat ite palo ko ba owera no. Tatu tatu ite palo heto owera no. No lo ti lo no kar ba la bukter mala ta mero ora la ta no. Odo a clear ite pa mo no. Do bu lo do pay ni no tira. Away ni made a la tu ta no tamu tabo tatu tatu pa mo no tabu pa tu pa. No away ni made a la paganyo ta mo no. Paganyo ta ne pa sukumo la ta aglu glu basa paganyo le o la edit ta ma o tatu mo no. Tatu mo no. And to all the beasts of the earth and all the birds of the air and all the creatures that move on the ground, everything that has no the breeze of light in it no bagden ma when I metala takha le kese ta upa le bagden ma ko ne lo no activity no pay ni betete ma la kala kese lo no bagden ma la hakko pu mo no ta la sa ko ko glu no trouble le ko glu te pa no but omu opera tamu asa no awate sa le awate sa no when I metala no and it was so. I give every green plant for food, and the gifts was so. I want to hear that green plants, no green plants itane. But thing I learn now, but then mala hako ake ko la he tir pa mo no when mita no mio era te no mio tamu tamu tir pa mita la sabo ko po tir pa ko mo era te and it's so what no tama ta din no God saw all that he has made, and it was very good. And there was evening, and there was morning, the sixth day. Mukhunitini nigasa tilo paganyoro sa poko the dupo or the paganyota or the sabota or the pakalagasi tamata dinilo. Now thus the heaven and earth were complete in their vestry. Let them call a winning, la kasaywa tilo wada no mukulo hako do ta tapota little color kasida a lepo whether mu hunitani no now run it the 7th God has finished no moon nunitani on a kasaywa mawiwe atapitama tani no moon nunitani no the work he has been doing no when mara so on the 7th day he rested when he made mukhunitin away obui no from all his work no le amara kelapoko no apumara and God's blessed the 7 days and made it holy because on it he rested from all the work of create that he has done no when bagden mala mununitin no kasa ko wala la muso muni so shi no bagden ma Kita nak kena couple la awal mawara do awal upui wala le mutini ni no do awal ti lo ta pui wele mutini ni no ta khala kese ta mata din no awal ni mutini mukini mutini mulu ni mujan muhu ni tini no munwi ni tini ta papa no le tai ta kulo ti pa ta khala kese ni no kita nak kena la ma pakres ko mo lo petino pala peta mo dia tu pakamudi le pakamadi le do ko sukomo ta di le no later no kona kasa ti lo ta lo ti a ti lo ti no ye ye tinya to mi le kasa ti lo ta ne te to mi ne me kasa ti lo ta la ko te ma no te to mi ne kasa ti lo mu ko ro ko no do ko te to ma la nó nó khi mình tìm mình cái sai thì nó sao có phụ tết phá nó tới mình tìm mình bởi vì mà sai thì nó khi mình tìm mình tam bộ nó tới mình tìm mình cái sai thì nó đã cái lúc bao con cái sai thì nó sẽ có nó sao có phụ tam bộ nó một cái bộ nó thích là nó ta hỗ trợ để bắt cái sẽ nó bởi vì mà nó lui nít này sẽ có này cái sai thì nó sẽ có nó bởi vì mà họ cũng cứ đó này ta thế phá nó lui nít này cái sai nó tí là bà cái nhau rồi tạo là xong có phụ tạo nó cái sai tí là đó rồi nên trên này nó ở mà vita mà nó ở mà số kiểu là mình này đó mà bị sao đó nó tạo một phần nó mà số kiểu cái thà nó số của con là này cái chạm nữa nó bằng thế mà cái